Welcome everyone to this packet tracer, verify IPv4 and IP version 6 addressing. And here we can see the table, the addressing table and objectives. Part 1, complete the addressing table documentation. Part 2, test connectivity using ping. Part 3, discover the path by tracing the route. Background dual stack allow IPv4 and IPv6 to coexist on the same network. In this activity, you will investigate a dual stack implementation, including documentation, the IPv4 and IPv6 configuration for end devices, testing connectivity for both IPv4 and IPv6 using ping, and tracing the path from end to end for IPv4 and IPv6. Complete the addressing table documentation. Step 1. Use ipconfig to verify IP version 4 addressing. Item A. Click PC1 and open the command prompt. Okay. And item B. Enter the ipconfig/all command to collect the IP4 information. Fill in the addressing table with the IP4 address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Okay, enter the command ipconfig/all and go to check the information is correct. For PC1, okay, PC1, okay, this is my physical address, my IPv6 address, IP4 address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Okay, item C, click PC2 and open the command prompt. Enter the ipconfig all command to collect the IPv4 information. Fill in the addressing table with the IPv4 address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Okay, close this task or window and open PC2 command prompt and ipconfig/all command, and this is my information for IPv4 address and subnet mask and default gateway. Okay, this is my subnet mask. So step 2, use IPv6 config to verify IPv6 addressing on PC1. Enter the IPv6 config all command to collect the IP version 6 information, filling in the addressing table with the IPv6 address, subnet prefix, and default gateway. The same case for PC2. Step 2, test connectivity using ping. Step 1, use the ping to verify IPv4 connectivity from PC1. Ping the IPv4 address for PC2. Was the result successful? Okay, open the window, command prompt, and for PC2, the same. Okay, and enter the command ping from or to the address IPv4 for PC2. In this case is 10.10.1.20. Okay, again, okay, ping from PC1 to PC2 is successful. Packet sent 4, received 4, and lost 0. Okay, was the result successful? Yes. Item B, from PC2 ping the IPv4 address for PC1. Was the result successful? Okay, and enter the ping. In this case, my IPv4 address is 10.10.1.20. 1.1100, sorry. Okay, in this case is unreachable this address. Again, okay, I don't have connectivity between PC2 and PC1 in this direction. And was the result successful? No. Okay, step 2, use ping to verify IPv6 connectivity from PC1 and PC2. Okay, again, first from PC1 and the IP version 6 is this for PC2, paste. Okay, I have connectivity between PC1 and PC2 across IP version 6, and the same for PC2 for PC1. I copy IPv6 address and enter the command ping with the address. Again, okay, packet sent 4, packet received 4, packet lost 0. Okay, I have connectivity between PC1 and PC2 in both directions in IPv6, but in IPv4 I don't have connectivity between PC2 and PC1 in this direction. So, part 3, discover the path by tracing the route. Step 1, use tracer to discover the IPv4 path. From PC1, trace the route to PC2. Okay. And what address were encountered along the path? With which interface are the four addresses associated? Okay. And enter the command tracer and the address of PC2. In this case is 10, sorry, 10, 10, 120. Yes, and enter. Okay. The question is what address were encountered along the path? This is the first address, second address, three address, and four address. So this is the device so I want to reach. And which with which interface are the four addresses associated? Which interface? Okay. And okay. From this scam, uh, okay. Okay, with which interface are the four addresses associated with the devices? I think in this case the first is switch one, the next router one, router two, router three, and switch two. I think this is the path and the interfaces. Step 2, use tracer to discover the IP version 6 path. Okay, in this case, I copy this command and enter from PC1. Sorry. is here. Copy and paste. Okay. In the first case, in the tracer from IPv4, not is the same address from this hub in this device. Here is 97 and here is 96. The next is 4 and in this device is 5. The next is 10 and in this device is 8. And the next or the last hop is 20 in the wish device. But in the case of the IPv6 tracer, is the same address in both cases. Here is the same. Here is the same. In this case, no. It's different address in both cases. It's a different address. Okay. So what addresses we encounter along the path? With which interface are the four addresses associated? Okay, for this I need to enter in the clear from every device, in this case enable and show interfaces. Okay, in the first, fast Ethernet through 1 is down, fast Ethernet through 2 is up, line protocol is up. Okay, the fast Ethernet through 3 is down, 4 is down, 5 is down, 6 is down. Okay, 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 okay. So show interface VLAN 1. Okay, for tracer command in IP version 4, this is the path. Okay, okay, okay. So close the switch and open the router and enable and show interfaces. Okay, according to the table in router 1 and the interface G00 is up with this IP address 10.10.1.97. Okay, is here in the CLI and is here in the table and is the same in the tracer command for PC1 here. Okay, the next uh, device or what is the next interface to have this tracer command is 10.10.1.5 is here for router 2. Okay, so let's go to watch this interface in R2. Open the CLI command line interface, enter the command enable, and enter the show interfaces. And here is the interface for gigabit Ethernet 00 in this case. And okay, 000. Okay, it's more down. Okay, so okay, is here serial here and is up, line protocol is up, and this is the IP address 10.10.1.5 in the CLI of router 2 and in the command tracer in this hub. And the last interface is this and is here from router 3 attached to this interface. So go to open the CLI router 3 and enter in the command line enable and show interface S001. Here is the address. Is the same in the table, is the same in the command line interface, and is the same in the tracer command. And finish watch the use tracer to discover the IP version 6 path and is the same from this. I close open PC1 and watch the tracer command from or for IP version 6 is here. According to the table, the first hub is in this interface. Okay, is here, is the same. Okay, open router 1 and show interface G00. Okay, Okay, okay. So I don't know where is the IP version 6 address, but I enter the command ARP, address resolution protocol table, with show command ARP table. Okay, so okay, and go to switch to watch if I can get this response with the command show interface. In this case is S001. Sorry, 000. Okay, I can ask to the web browser what is the command for enter in an interface and watch the IP version 6 address. Go to question with what, sorry, with what command I can see the IP version 6 of interface in a router. Okay, with the command show IPv6 interface and the interface, the name in the interface. So go and try. Okay, show IP version 6 interface is correct, and the name of the interface first for router 2 is S000. Okay, yes. Okay, here is the IP version 6 address For the interface serial 000. Okay, in the tracer command is the second hop is here, and go to watch the first hop in R1 with the same command is show IP version 6 interface. In this case is G00. Okay, this is the address in the tracer command, and here is the address in the command line interface of the clay in the interface gigabyte Ethernet 00. Sorry, is this is the subnet mask. This is the IP address. So okay, again with the router 2. Okay, this is the address and this is the subnet mask, and finish with router 3 with the same command show IP version 6 interface. In this case 132 S001. Okay, here is the interface in the CLI. Here is in the table, and here is in the command tracer. Okay, but I remember I don't have connectivity between PC2 and PC1, so I try to solve this problem. Okay, again the ping in IP version 6. Okay, for PC1, PC1 here, PC2 here, and command prompt and enter the command IP version 6 config slash all. Okay, here copy, delete this, and paste. Okay, I have connectivity between PC2 and PC1 in this form, and I try with PC with IP version 4 address. So okay, so here is the IP version 4 is 10, 10, 1, and 100. Okay, I have connectivity. Before I don't have connectivity. Mm, here. Okay, I entered the bad address. This is my bad. Okay. Well, this is all for this. See you in the next one. Bye.